Hey there, smartphone enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of mobile technology. Today we have an exciting device to review, the OnePlus 7T. It features performance and overall user experience. So let's dive right into it. And it's really OnePlus 7T. The back seal is broken, so we have just inserted a sticker into it. Alright folks, let's kick things off by discussing the OnePlus 7T. The smartphone from OnePlus has generated a lot of attention for its impressive specifications and sleek design. Join us as we uncover what makes this device stand out in the market. First of all, let's talk about the design and build quality of the OnePlus 7T. It boasts a premium glass back and aluminum frame that exudes a sense of elegance. By the way, the glass back is broken here. The device feels solid and well constructed in hand, giving it a premium flagship vibe. The attention to detail is evident from the smooth curves to the placement of buttons and ports. Moving on to the display, the OnePlus 7T truly shines. It features a 6.5-inch fluid AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels. The colors are vibrant and the contrast is excellent, making videos and images pop. By the way, with its 90 Hz refresh rate, scrolling through contents feels incredibly smooth and responsive. It's a delightful device for multimedia consumption and also for gaming. Performance-wise, the OnePlus 7T is a blast. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset and paired with 8 gigs of RAM, this device can handle multitasking, gaming, and resource-intensive apps with ease. It offers a snappy and lag-free user experience, ensuring smooth operation even during demanding tasks. One of the standout features of the OnePlus 7T is the camera setup. Equipped with a triple camera system, including a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, this device captures stunning photos with impressive details and dynamic range. The nightscape mode allows for great low-light photography, while the 16-megapixel front camera also ensures sharp and vibrant selfies. Now let's talk about the software experience of the OnePlus 7T, which runs on OxygenOS based on Android. The OxygenOS offers a near-stock Android experience with some thoughtful additions and customization options. The software is snappy and responsive, and regular updates from OnePlus ensures the latest features and security patches. But it's not upgradable more than Android 12. The Android 12 is the last update on this device. In terms of battery life, the OnePlus 7T impresses with its 3800 mAh battery capacity. With moderate usage, the device easily lasts throughout the whole day. And when it's time to recharge, the OnePlus's Warp Charge 30-watt technology quickly powers up the battery, minimizing downtime. It's a convenience that keeps you going without interruption. To sum it up, the OnePlus 7T is a powerhouse smartphone that excels in design, display, performance, camera capabilities, and software experience. It's a device that offers flagship-level features at a more affordable price point, making it an attractive choice for tech enthusiasts. So guys, that concludes our review of the OnePlus 7T. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest smartphone reviews. And feel free to share it with your friends. And if you have any thoughtful questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tech savvy.